Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your InstaPage account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove an admin in your InstaPage account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove an admin in your InstaPage anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that you work with a lot of different VAs or assistants, but sometimes they go their own way, so you need to remove access in your InstaPage. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your InstaPage dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my InstaPage dashboard, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and remove an admin, you're going to click on your workspace, and next to it, there's a little downward arrow. Go ahead and click on there. Once you click there, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on this button here called Workspace Settings. It looks like a gear icon. All right, once you do that, you're going to see another drop-down menu, and you want to click on Team Members. Okay, guys, once you click there, you're going to see all of the different admins you've placed in your InstaPage. You can see it's just me and another person that I invited. However, in order to remove or delete this admin, here on the right, you're going to see their permission, and you just want to click on the little arrow. Once you do that, you're going to see either uninvite or delete. Look for the red button. This person has not accepted my invitation, so I'm going to go ahead and uninvite. For you, you might want to go ahead and click on delete. Okay, next, they're going to give you this warning. Are you sure you want to go ahead and delete this admin from your InstaPage account? If so, go ahead and confirm right here. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that person has been removed from my InstaPage account, so they can no longer access my workspace unless I decide to re-invite them into the group. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove an admin in your InstaPage account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.